Hello everyone, I'm Aryan Kumar from first year BBA. I've been a part of Cresta for about 3 years now, where I did my first PU and second PU as well. Now, I would like to talk about one of my favorite events which I've organized here and I was given the opportunity to. It's called Open Mic. Open Mic being one of the most social events. It's organized every semester where Cresta provides you a stage and participants from all over the town come and perform the events. Now, if I would like to describe festival with my experience, we had beatboxers, musicians, dancers, stand-up comedians from throughout the city entertaining us and also helping themselves to find a stage. I would like to talk about my experience managing the whole event. Personally, it was one of the greatest experiences of all time. From the moment me and my team sat down to plan out the whole event to later executing it, every team player had a certain role to play, and when everyone gave the 100%, I'm proud to say that the event which we managed was one of the greatest successes of all time. Another thing I personally love about this college is that we have festive events planned throughout the year. I feel these kind of events brings us a sense of unity and also helps us learn about different cultures. For example, recently we had this Christmas event where we had activities like Santa Soy, and during Navratri we had Dandiya where students enjoyed, and I feel this is a really great way to blow steam off from academics, and once these events are done we are just way more energized to go get back to academics. I'm really looking forward to participate and organize all these events that Cresta has planned for us for the next 3 years. Thank you.